While Sonam is fun, we chat to a director who's been there and done that when it comes to festivals. I have film festival veteran right here with me, Anurag Kashyap. You really do the circuit, right?
When you say veteran, I sound like some kind of an old man. I'm not.
Okay, very young, who's recently married. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Why is your wife not with you?
She's shooting. She left me 2 days after the shoot, after the wedding. And she went on a shoot.
Okay, that was a Freudian slip and how, okay?
2 days after the wedding, she left me and went for the shoot.
So you haven't had a honeymoon yet?
See, the reception is in July probably, and honeymoon probably in August, September, whenever
But
she has a date.
this would have been the perfect
She's
place,
French. She's
right?
French. Yeah, no, she's French. But the Cannes is not a perfect place for a honeymoon. Not at the time of the festival.
How much do festivals actually help?
Me definitely. I'm here. I'm alive because of the festivals.
What does that mean? Like,
My films were not releasing in India. They were banned. I got recognition outside in the festivals before my film released back home in 2007. I survived and I got to keep making films because my films were traveling outside.
but also mentally, you think that it kept you sustained. That okay, fine, I'm on the right track. That someone is appreciating.
Yeah, it kept me sustained in the sense. Plus, I knew there was an audience. I said once India mein ek baar picture release hogi, to dheere dheere aa jayega. But yes, there has been, and all these years that I've been moving around with my film at the festivals and film has been showing. I have a lot of friends and everybody I know. So and they are good bouncing boards. They're mentors. In the sense I show them my script. They keep suggesting things, what to do. Through them, I sold Yellow Boots. Yellow Boots was the first film that we sold independently overseas, in many places.
It's like you say you have friends here, and I'm sure they're amazing, creative bouncing boards, as you say, but you don't have many friends in the Indian industry.
Now I have. No, but the thing is, we the outsiders.
Are you still an outsider?
No, not. We are now the major chunk of the industry. Like all of us.
Who's we?
We is the people who are not born in the film industry.
Okay.
No, most of us are the ones who are getting to do what they want to do. Be it Vishal Bhardwaj or Imtiaz Ali or Divakar or me. They're getting to make our kind of films without depending on any kind of a diktat.
Would you say Anurag Kashyap today is a successful producer, director, writer?
I'm a producer, director, writer. A bona fide producer, director, writer.
सीने में जलती है अरमानों की अर्थी अरे what to tell you darling क्या हुआ.
The thing is, I'm making what I want to make. I'm making films with who I want to make it with. So if that's the definition of success, then I'm very successful.
Then you're cruising it, right? Okay, tell me about Shaitan, which is your next release, right? You haven't directed it.
Yeah.
You produced it. It's coming out of it's going to be an Anurag Kashyap film.
Joyce directed. It's entirely his film, and it's a kick-ass movie. And
what genre is it? Like, what would you say?
It's a thriller. It's a thriller. It's a relentless thriller. Is
it gory? Because all your films are gory, man. Like
it's stylized as hell. It's more stylized than probably Dev D was or anything was. It's a super cool movie, and I'm waiting because it's probably will make me successful at the box office too. So
now your brother started in a very different way into the industry. He went the straight Bollywood biggest blockbuster that he could find, like Salman Khan, la 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 la. But he's also ended up having not such good relationships with the Khan. Is that true?
No, my brother
just run in the family, the Kashyaps.
No. My brother is a very practical person. He's got great relationships with the Khan. Sometimes you tend to get protective in the sense he'd always asked me to leave him alone. In the sense he wanted to do his own thing and he didn't want me to be part of it. So I've left him alone. But there came a point I heard something and which was a rumor and a false information which I overreacted to. So almost his relationship went off the rails because of me.
So this was not in conjunction with him that you put all those things out on cyberspace?
No.
Someone needs to lock your mouth and your hand and take your computer away.
Yeah, but sometimes I get pissed off. But I got pissed off about the wrong thing. So I have been apologetic about it. I've been apologizing ever since. And I still can't apologize. Sorry.
Okay, thank you very much for talking to us from Cannes. Log on to headlinestoday.in or follow my tweets at Koel's Couch. On the Couch with Koel.